You know, every painting has a heartbeat. And today, as we dive into this mystical sunset of Shimla, I promise you, this canvas hides a story you didn't expect. But hey, before we go deeper, a quick reminder. Join us live every Friday at 8 pm. Your presence genuinely fuels this creative ecosystem. Now, let's step into the scene. Imagine standing on the mall road of Shimla, the air cold enough to kiss your cheeks, the sky glowing like melted gold. As I dipped my brush into that fiery shade of orange, I wasn't just painting a sunset, I was painting a memory. A memory of a day that changed everything. It was 3 winters ago. I was sitting at the ridge, sketchbook open, completely lost in the horizon. That's when an old man with silver hair and a smile warmer than the Shimla sun stopped beside me. He looked at my scribbles and said, Beta, sunsets are never endings. They are invitations to pause, to breathe, to begin again. Those words stayed with me long after the sun dipped, long after the crowds faded. Fast forward to today. This canvas right here, it's my attempt to capture that exact magical moment when the sun sank behind the hills and the clouds caught fire. The colors weren't just colors, they were emotions, layered, raw, and unapologetically alive. Look closely at the vibrant crimson along the peaks. That's silence. The deep purple blending into night, that's acceptance. And that single streak of yellow that refuses to fade, that's hope. Hope that refuses to retire quietly. Shimla isn't a hill station, it's an emotion. A slow pace, tea scented, nostalgia wrapped emotion. And in this painting, the winding path leading towards the sunset, that's for all of us. A reminder that no matter where we are headed, the destination is always illuminated if we dare to look up. Now, here's something most people miss. Right at the horizon, I added a tiny silhouette of a lone deodar tree. Why? Because in Shimla, deodar trees aren't just trees, they are guardians, witnesses of time, silent keepers of thousands of untold stories. Maybe this painting is my way of saying some stories deserve to be preserved, even in silence. When you add layers of acrylic on canvas, the magic happens in the transitions. Just like life, it's never one bold stroke. It's 100 tiny, intentional ones. Just like how you and I evolve. Quietly, slowly, purposefully. If this painting makes you feel something, joy, peace, nostalgia, anything at all, tell me in the comments. And yes, if anyone wants to buy this original painting, just comment interested and I'll reach out personally. And hey, don't forget, we meet live every Friday at 8 pm. Art, stories, creativity, connection, all happening in real time. I'd love to see you there. Truly, the sun may set every day, but its story remains in the canvas of our hearts. So let this painting be a reminder that beauty exists not because it lasts, but because it touches us while it's here. And that, my friend, is the mystical sunset of Shimla. See you this Friday, 8 pm. Don't be late. The sunset waits for no one.